Panorama, say, the motherboard companion. If you've ever wanted a panoramic 360 screen right inside your PC, meet the Panorama Say from Trix's. This innovative, anamorphic curved screen sits directly within your motherboard, offering real-time diagnostics at a glance. Measuring 6.5 inches with a 60 Hz refresh rate and a crystal-clear 2K resolution. This display is more than just eye candy, it's fully functional. It supports instant content switching, allowing you to toggle between split screen and full screen modes based on your workflow. You can control fan speeds, monitor hardware stats, and even upload custom media all while barely using any system resources. Panorama Say supports both AMD and Intel platforms, and with its customizable interface and recording capabilities, it's perfect for modders, gamers, and PC builders alike. Techno Pocket Go, the smallest AR gaming powerhouse, gaming on the go, has never looked so futuristic. Introducing the Techno Pocket Go, a Red Dot Design Award winner and the world's smallest AR handheld. Despite being 30% lighter and 50% smaller than competing devices, it delivers a stunning 215-inch virtual display. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor. With 8 cores and 16 threads for serious multitasking and performance, it supports full Techno ecosystem compatibility and works seamlessly with your phone. The Pocket Go features a massive diopter adjustment range from 0 to 600, adaptive posture tracking, and vision tracking for ultra-immersive gameplay. Spatial sound tech ensures your ears join the adventure as much as your eyes, making this six-dimensional experience a leap beyond standard mobile gaming. UVIDW, your pocket studio for content creation for vloggers, influencers, and mobile creators. The UVIDW is a game changer. This 4-in-1 content creation tool transforms your smartphone into a complete recording studio. Capture 4K video at 60 FPS, while simultaneously viewing yourself in real time from nearly any angle. Perfect for ensuring you stay in frame. It features over 3 hours of battery life, full 360 rotation, and even doubles as a power bank. Need a stand for stability? It's got one built in. Whether you're filming for YouTube, TikTok, or a short film, UVIDW gives you studio-level production in your back pocket. And yes, it supports live screencasting for streamers on the go. Cosmos, Hubless, eBikes ride. The future step into the future of urban mobility with the Cosmos Hubless e-bike. Designed by Crew Cosmos, this sleek, futuristic ride features a hubless, spoke-free wheel design paired with puncture-proof tires. It folds in just 2 steps and can be completely collapsed in under 10 seconds, making it ultra-convenient for commuters. A 36 volts 10. For battery powers the pedal assist system, making uphill rides feel flat. The onboard F5 Max handlebar display gives you real-time speed and battery stats, while the integrated smartphone app offers remote control and security. Durable, functional, and aesthetically cutting-edge, this e-bike is built for the modern urban explorer. Lockin Veno Pro, the smartest video door lock, say hello to the Lockin Veno Pro, the world's fastest video smart lock. It combines a high-resolution 2K camera with built-in AI and cutting-edge palm vein recognition technology. This solar-powered smart lock operates without ever needing to be charged manually and unlocks in just 0.17 seconds. From weather, resistance, functioning in temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, to flame resistance and real-time delivery notifications. Veno Pro is built for serious security. The AI-powered camera identifies people, packages, and motion events, sending real-time alerts to your phone. Whether it's biometric security or wireless convenience, this lock is the future of home access. CZU ET Max, the ultimate book scanner. Digitize your library with the CZU ET Max. A professional-grade book scanner that transforms paper into pixels. It uses a powerful 3.8 MP camera with a 410 dpi scan quality and features, smart flattening algorithms for perfectly aligned pages even with books that won't stay flat, with automatic scanning. OCR text recognition, and HDMI connectivity, this scanner is perfect for researchers, students, and collectors. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, and its side lighting ensures crystal clear scans without glare. Whether scanning journals, textbooks, or old family albums, CZU ET Max takes the grunt work out of digitizing. KaCube. Portable BBQ powerhouse, Tilging just got an upgrade with the KaCube, a compact dual-fuel barbecue grill that lets you cook with gas, charcoal, or pellets. Designed to handle 34 hot dogs or 10 steaks simultaneously. It even supports smoking and baking functions. This US-made unit includes a prep hook, so your ingredients are always within reach. And a built-in airflow system ensures you're ready to cook in minutes. A removable grease tray makes cleanup simple and fast. Compact enough for camping. It's powerful enough for a full cookout. This is outdoor cooking without compromise. Oasis side and coffee tables. Kinetic sand. Art for your living room. Take relaxation to a new level with the Oasis side and coffee tables, which double as kinetic sand art installations. Simply select your favorite pattern and let the magnetized steel ball create mesmerizing designs through fine-grained sand. The coffee table version features a 34-inch walnut or bamboo finish top and stands 16 inches tall. The side table is 20 inches wide and 21 inches high, with the same elegant finishes. Both are app-controlled and come with preloaded patterns and sand kits. Turning furniture into living art, these tables offer more than style. They offer a daily dose of calm and creativity. Instax Wide Evo, retro meets modern photography blending analog. Charm with digital flexibility, the Instax Wide Evo is the ultimate instant camera for modern creatives. It features a wide-angle lens for expansive landscapes and can switch to a traditional compact mode for portraits or casual shots. With 10 built-in lens and film effects, including cinematic film strip and date stamp styles, this camera makes every shot feel like a memory in the making. Capture high-resolution prints at 318 dpi, ensuring vivid colors and lifelike clarity. It's ideal for travelers, event photographers, or anyone who loves the nostalgia of instant photos with today's image quality. ESR AirPods Case, rugged protection with smart charging. Protect your precious earbuds with the ESR AirPods Case, specially made for 4th-gen AirPods. This drop-proof case features a flick-lock mechanism that secures your pods and provides quick, effortless access. The shock-absorbing polymer and polycarbonate combo ensures extreme durability. Tested over 20,000 openings across 5 years. MagSafe. Compatibility means you can wirelessly charge without removing the case. The transparent charging light indicator keeps you informed, and it comes in multiple color options to match your style. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply prone to dropping your gadgets, this is a case built to last. Infinix ZERO Series Mini Trifold, the foldable phone revolution. Prepare to be amazed by the Infinix ZERO Series Mini Trifold, a triple folding smartphone that shrinks down to the size of a credit card. Perfect for travelers and adventurers. This phone supports a range of configurations, whether it's a full display, bifold mount, or compact camera. The device includes dual cameras and split-screen capabilities, allowing multitasking like translation or GPS while recording. Clip it onto your bike for navigation, or use it as a tiny vlogging studio. Whether you want compact functionality or a cinema-sized screen in your palm, the ZERO series delivers innovation in the smallest package.